You search how to buy shares of Schroder Real Estate Inv, TST-LD. The company is a property investment trust listed on LSE PLC with ticker SREI.L. This is educational content and not financial advice. You need a broker to buy shares, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before making a purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker SREI.L to locate the listing. Select the matching Schroder Real Estate entry to open its asset page. On the asset page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm this is the correct stock. Check issuer details and market status before proceeding. To invest, click Buy. Enter the amount you wish to invest, review the order, and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, the order may become pending. And if you don't have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed or pending, your position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. There's a link in the description if you want to visit eToro for a closer look.